get weird. All right, good deal. Thanks, guys, so much. You guys can still grab spots in, I think, box 11. But here's box number 7, Prestige. 11:05 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Good to have you guys on board. It's the new stuff. So I'm going to try and get some more SPX in this week as well. Trying to think what else we can break. Getting ready for the National, but that's not for a couple weeks, like 2 or 3 weeks or something like that. So I'll see what... let me get down here again. Oh. All right. Cool. Here we go. Jumbo card. It's there every time. All right, we won't even mention him. We'll mention Lewis Nix. Get out of my face. One of the Texans. All right, so that'll be going to Rob Vegas. There you go, player. And one of the acetate cards hiding back there. So if you guys are waiting for your box to come up, we are in box number 7. We're just going to keep plugging away. There's only 12 boxes in a case. I think box number 11 is up for grabs. Still have yet to hit the guy on the front of the box. So I don't know, why not? Oh boy, this guy. Josh Gordon. Hopefully he can get stuff figured out, man. Way too much talent to waste. So here is Odell Beckham, and that will be going to those Giants. So Neil, there you go, buddy. So nice little patch card there in Prestige. First time they've done that this year. We're still waiting to see some more action. Actually, hey, some of the inserts, I think that's been our best luck, are the inserts that are getting autoed. We're hitting some of the bigger guys. So we hit the Sammy Watkins not too long ago. That was Carson Palmer. Carson Palmer for the Arizona Cardinals. Be the auto. No. Just the points. So prestigious points, Marquise Lee. Here's Mikey Wallace. One of those little clear-cut cards. And then D'Anthony Thomas. Going to those Chiefs. So it looks like it's just kind of going out a little bit of everywhere. So there's a Teddy Bridgewater. That will be the short print of Teddy. So that's a nice little hit there going to Minnesota. So Mark R. There you go, buddy. So the short prints are the ones where they're actually in their uniforms, like the team uniform. So pretty cool stuff. I like it. Pack Dave. I have fantastic service. Good old, oh man, I'm actually nervous. I'm gonna get to meet up with some of you guys up at the National. Some of you guys are ready. You guys are ready to get the have a beverage or 7, right? Nope, breaking all 2014 tonight, dude. It's new stuff, man. You gotta stick with the new stuff when it comes out. Here's Ed Reynolds, extra points. That will be going to the Eagles. Treasure Hound up in here. I like this. Road to the NFL, Tom Fred Savage. I like it. Rob Vegas. So these are the on-card ones, which are actually pretty nice. Tom Savage. That's going to Houston. Because what happens after 3 p.m.? Come on, man. I got to be working the whole time we're up there. You guys might see a special guest appearance by Pac Dave running around on camera, beverage in his hand. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm nervous. I'm just playing. All right. Chad Henne, 30 out of 100. All right, last pack here in box number 7. And then we still have that the weirdo card to go, though. All right. That's Trey Mason going to St. Louis. So who's got St. Louis? That will be B-Rad. There you go, buddy. So those are going to be interesting to send out. Gosh. I didn't pick up my, 4x6? Actually, it's bigger than a 4x6. I didn't pick up my 5x7 cases, unfortunately. Cool.